Hello, Miami. So I'm officially in Miami. It is a crisp 79 degrees with a good breeze, but we are here for Mountain Meet Miami. I'm really excited. I'm actually about to go take my computer down, which I know sounds really stupid, but like it's a work day. I'm gonna go downstairs and sit by maybe the pool or probably the beach because I'm steps away from it. My coworker is getting here in the next couple of hours, if not a little bit sooner. It's gonna be an adventure. We'll get to enjoy the weekend together. It's gonna be really cool.
Getting ready for dinner. Mama.
I should have brought my That's how we do that.
Mama. No, ravioli. Give me the formioli. That's plankton though. Thank you for making me feel beautiful. I'm getting an espresso martini. Me too. I love a dirty martini, but I need a little. It can't hear you. Oh. Can it? Yeah. Can it hear you?
Yeah. Oh, okay. There's a mic on it.
Two of us work in tech.
Two of us.
Of these two.
Celebrate your birthday at Carbone.
I feel #blessed. I got to celebrate my birthday at Carbone. I saw Nicole Richie. I was called a troublemaker 35 times.
Was the food good?
Oh yeah, food slay.
Okay, Morgan.
Food was amazing. Vibes are amazing. I'm full. And the company is great.
What's up?
You know, I think we chose the right things. We got advice on the right things, and we are all leaving very happy and satisfied.
We are. And then Amy's gonna come back and we're gonna ask her.
Amazing. It's on my list now to go in all the other cities and have the same experience. The company was even better.
I wouldn't share it with anybody else.
XOXO Gossip Girl. Okay.
Oh, that was cute. Liz keeps here. We gotta go. Liz keeps kissing the camera. Like, go to fucking nose.
We're chilling in the back seat. But Morgan, did it exceed all expectations? And you've been before, so expectations were already high.
It was great. Service was amazing. Price, honestly, was great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For what it was, for what we were expecting.
Yeah. No,
We were
it
expecting
was,
a lot more.
It was so good. Very happy. Tummy's happy. Brain happy. Everything's happy. Really.
I'm ready to take a nap.
I feel that.
/ go to bed. Amy, what's your take on Carbones?
Oh, delicious.
Oh yes, we all gave our thoughts, but you have
about
to
like
your testimonial. Just
everything.
Everything.
Great vibe, amazing company, clearly. Delicious food. Clearly.
That was a resounding piece of feedback.
No, everything was delicious. I love all food, but that doesn't mean I like everything equally.
The meatballs.
I still have
oh my God,
taste and judgment.
Yes.
Yeah,
Meatballs
like
and potatoes.
10 out of 10.
I could have just
Those
had-
potatoes.
Oh my
stellar.
God! And those weren't even the scallop potatoes that we were thinking about.
No, but they couldn't feed in duck fat.
Oh. Why can't everything be competed in duck fat?
And we're gonna end it.
Peau contre peau, l'effort fait monter la chaleur. Tu struggles un peu, mais tu aimes ça, je sais. Tes hanches tremblent, je contrôle le balai. Oui, je serre plus fort. Oui, tu perds le souffle. Tes onges dorment dans un chef-d'œuvre qui souffre. Oh, oh, les ciseaux sauvages coupent tes gémissements en mirage. Je domine, tu te soumets, t'es nu.
This is Miami day 2. We are officially up and at 'em this morning. The girls were here last night. We stayed all in the same room, as you guys probably saw. I turned in early because I had a headache, which is to be expected. It was a really long travel day. I was up at like 4 a.m. But we went to Carbone's last night, which is incredible. You obviously saw all of the takeaways from that. And so today we are gonna get up and we're gonna go grab breakfast at Ocean Social, which is one of the restaurants here at the hotel. And then we're gonna walk to a CVS and grab some provisions, and then we're probably gonna go grab like another coffee or something elsewhere. Obviously, we'll have my camera with me. Go check out my Instagram for some of the posts. I've already posted once on this trip, like actually on time, which in this afternoon when a lot more of our friends and coworkers all get in, then we are going to probably go hang out at the pool. Yeah, so far it's been really amazing. I was really nervous, but luckily when you have really great friends, it makes trips like this all the more easy when you have anxiety. So it's been really great so far. So let's get going.
Patrick Mahomes is here.
Everybody knows the Kermit. Wait, that's so
Okay, so Jessica just called Morgan, and Morgan just goes, "Hey, Patrick Mahomes is here." Like he's staying at the Nobu. Like, I mean,
watch him walk in here. That's so cute. Oh, I almost didn't see that so much. This is day three, I think. I'm already losing my voice a little bit. We're gonna go down to yoga. My coworker friend is leading yoga this morning, so we're gonna go do some yoga. I stayed out very late last night and my brain is just not computing, but
It's a video, so it that was so good.
That was amazing.
It feels yay! Well, I didn't do it. You guys did.
Well, you still could.
No.
So funny.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
I can see myself living here.
Yeah.
Literally that person to Marshawn.
I'm the opposite.
Really?
Every time I go somewhere new, I'm like, oh, I love where I live.
I hate it here. I love where I live.
I'm like, this is so cool. I'm so glad I saw this, but I can't wait to be
And I'm
home.
currently hating the weather, and I go anywhere. I'm like, but like catch me in like a nice, lovely month in Nashville, and I'm like, don't talk to me.
So, yeah, I'm gonna send it. Hit me, do it. I'm a rule follower. Where are we going, Kate? On a boat.
Okay, my name is Amanda, and this is me before the yacht.
My name's Katya. This is me before the yacht. I've had 0 drinks today, and I'm ready. This is me on the yacht with just 1 drink in hand and a dream. Hello. We're judging rich people's houses.
Yes, we are. I'll never be able to afford it. But that's okay.
I'm
Maybe
sorry,
I'll
I
get
can't
Mega
afford a
Millions.
$40 house.
That one's nice.
Which one? That blue
All
one?
windows.
Oh my god.
It's Tori, we're on a yacht. It's Mountain View, Miami. We're having a good time. It's going down. I didn't lose my voice. Let's go! Hey! Love you guys!
Content queen.
The traffic is bad enough.
Come on.
We made it back from Miami. I figured I would take a couple of minutes to recap the weekend because I realized that I didn't, in looking through my edit yesterday as I was on my flight back, I realized I didn't actually contextualize any of the Miami trip. So I figured I would recap some of it. So Miami, of course, was super fun. I am very tired. I got in last night. My flight landed at 2:30 in the morning. I fell twice. Not because of me, like drinking with friends or anything like that. I wore the wrong shoes. My shoes that I originally was gonna wear broke at some point in the weekend. I think it was on Thursday. And the second night was probably the worst one, which is why I sound probably a little bit weird because I actually hurt my jaw pretty bad. But I also have like a huge bruise on my hip. It was really bad. I'm very much okay, but I just sound a little bit weird. I also didn't wear my braces to the airport the other day, so I forgot them here. So this is the first time in 5 days that I'm wearing my braces. So I'm lisping. It's your problem, not mine, if you don't like it. But Miami was amazing. All of that to be said. I had a great time with my coworkers and my friends. What you didn't see was us actually working at the pool and like getting things done because that's not interesting content. That's going to be it for the vlog. I hope that you guys enjoy this. I hope that it's actually interesting and you actually have a fun time watching it and you're not just like, God, this girl keeps posting and nobody is interested. I think it's been really fun for me to get to share parts of my life and go back and watch these videos and see how much things change or what people change and what's different. So I'm really excited for what comes next. But I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.